Hello, everyone. I'm Tarun Singhal, Director Business Development, Marketing, and Communications at Sopra Steria India. And I welcome you to another enlightening podcast from Sopra Steria. In the previous podcast, you heard our Chief Human Resources Officer, Vimi Chachra, share her perspective on how people are at the heart of everything we do. Taking the baton further, let us discuss how an effective collaboration between academia and industry has the potential of boosting our economy whilst ensuring growth and how you can be a best fit with transformation in the future of jobs post-COVID era. The educational institutions and industry both need to come together in a synergetic relationship and find a common ground to meet each other's needs. Then only it will be a win-win situation for all. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, in one of his speeches, stressed on the importance of promoting easy and new ways of learning, which he called methods of new age learning. These, he said, were 5 E's: engage, explore, experience, express, and excel. The need of the hour is to adapt and hone your critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, curiosity, and communication skills. Again, 5 C's. In addition to this, leverage available industry relevant online courses merged with the syllabus to get more holistic insights about the industry. At Sopra Steria, we are proud to have built a culture that thrives on innovation, creative thinking, and continuous learning. As part of our growth strategy, we have invested in a dedicated Campus Connect program that has helped us align with mentors, industry experts, thought leaders, and students to discuss avenues and travel the road to business excellence. Thanks to this program, we have got the opportunity to work with some of the brightest minds in the industry. As we set to discover life and reinvent in a post-COVID world, we remain committed to establish similar platforms to nurture talent and facilitate exchange of inspiring ideas. Soprasteria is also focused on driving the Digital India initiative of the government. We have 22 Digilabs spread across the key geographical regions in which the group operates. The Digilab has people across the world working together on solutions of the future, leveraging ample of cross-skilling opportunities. A recent Gartner poll showed that 48% of employees will likely work remotely, at least part of their time after COVID-19 versus 30% before the pandemic. The Future of Jobs report by the World Economic Forum indicates that 50% of core skills required will change within 5 years. At the same time, 40% of current employees need reskilling within the next 6 months. If your core skills are not in technology, there may be fewer jobs for you. If you are tech savvy, your income may have jumped. However, over the next couple of years, expect the demand supply mismatch to even out. Your primary battle would be to stay relevant in a changing job market. But how? The answer is by constantly upgrading yourself to be the right fit in the volatile business environment. We can focus on four primary areas. First one being to start by identifying the gaps versus market requirements. Second one, to do research on your current expertise area and identify areas of progression. This could be easily done by exploring the current trends and openings in the domain of expertise. Thirdly, acquire the relevant skills and certifications through plethora of online courses available or volunteer for projects where you can gain relevant experience. And last but not the least, but very important, promote your personal brand. I repeat, promote your personal brand. Build a strong social media profile that catches the attention of recruiters. Use LinkedIn and other platforms to craft and display a professional profile that's frequently updated with information about your professional assets. Repeat this every 6 to 12 months. Soprasteria hires the best people and helps them become even better at what they do by providing a customized training and development program based on their goals and abilities. At Soprasteria, we believe in a challenging and rewarding job experience accompanied by coaching, mentoring, and training, leading employees into diverse career paths, developing both versatility and specialization. We believe enabling employees to choose their career stream and understand their role expectations not only helps them in the long run, but also creates a win-win situation both for the organization and the employees. I hope I have been able to share some valuable perspective. Do click on soprasteria.in for some of the exciting career opportunities for you, your friends and family, or your network. We are also calling our alumni to rejoin the wonderful ecosystem at Soprasteria. And do stay tuned for listening to some of our leaders' experiences in the upcoming episodes. Wishing you all a wonderful festive Christmas season and a great 2022. Thank you.